So welcome to the video. This is on a Kawasaki GPZ 500S. I've not actually ever messed about with one of these. This has been bought in off my website and the owner's saying he thinks the cam chains come off when it's locked the engine up, and this has happened when he dropped the bike. I can't really see that happening. What I can see has actually happened, I'm thinking, and we're probably gonna find out soon, is he's dropped it, the bowls have been stuck open, the fuel tap's probably been on, it's flooded the engine, he's gone to start, it's hard rocked, he said he's had the cover off, been cranking the crank, they say it gets locked up. Hopefully it's not absolutely sent it, and he's just stopped, apparently he just stopped, but we're gonna find out what's actually gone on. The odds of it being the cam chain has somehow snapped is very slim from it being dropped. Anyway, it could just be a load of crap what he said, which it makes no sense because he would have got paid the same price for what it is. Anyway, let's get on with taking a look and diving into this Kawasaki. This is the dashboard, pretty much. So just here, what he done the 22k, which is not a lot really for Kawasaki. We're turning it on. Yeah, it's on. So it's definitely not happy. Right, put my air bubble in. Get myself ready for action. I'm gonna take the belly pan off. So, grabbed out my little ratchet, banging tool this is. It's got the like flex head sort of swivel thing, whatever it's called. It's got a nice little exhaust system on this. Sweet. So simple's on the other side. Here's a tap. So tap is on. It says it's off. Oh no, it's on reserve, so that says a lot. I'm gonna actually see if there's any fuel in. Bit of fuel in it. That's good. So belly's off. I'm gonna drop the oil. There's a 17 right under here, and got me draining jugs. So this is coming out now. Drop my sump plug in. Not a nice start. I can't smell any fuel yet. Oh, I can. Yeah, I can smell a bit of fuel. So, oil's drained. There was not any signs of major fuel, but it did smell a bit. So the next stage that we're going to be doing is taking the tank off and taking the plugs out, then cranking it, and we're going to see if it cranks over, turns over. If not, we're going to take the cylinder head off, if we can, in situ, and inspect what has gone on. I'm just not buying he dropped it and then something mechanical has failed from him dropping it. Something else has definitely gone on, or there's a different story that we've not been told. Maybe he redlined it from cold or something. We're going to be checking this. So, well, we're not checking anything, we're just going to see if we can turn it over by hand. So I need to get a 14. And yeah, it's solid. If we go backwards. is stuck. That engine is absolutely stuck. I'm not put too much pressure on because whatever it's stuck on, I don't want to damage it pretty much. But yeah, something ain't happy at all. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the tank off, drop the plugs out, put a Borescope down, and inspect what has caused this to happen pretty much. I'm gonna leave it off now, it's drained, so it's not gonna leak any oil anyway. Yeah, it's definitely in neutral. So we're gonna take the seat off, work out how the tank's connected, probably bodged on a little bit by the state of bearings. So seat's off. Got my 12mm ready for the tank. And bits coming off there. And take this breather off. Or overflow. Put the tap on. On off. So your screws aren't in on either side, so this should just wiggle out now. There we go. Got it. So the tank's off. Someone's already been in there. Plugs are off. Oh, there's not even a plug in one side. Someone's been messing about. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the airline, blow all the shit out of here, and we're going to get the Borescope down and see if we can see anything. I think what's going to have to happen is we're going to have to take the head off. I don't know if there's going to be enough room to get the head off. I think there should be, but I'm not quite sure. I've never really worked on this engine before. I mean, it does look like there's room. I have to take the coil pack off for sure. But we'll find out in a minute anyway. Yo, so just getting this is the Borescope we're going to be using. It's off Amazon. It's alright really. You get a lot for your money. I don't know if the screen's a bit dirty though. That's a bit better. Right, let's have a look at the first cylinder. If you want to take an eye on this. Oops. Oh gosh. Fuel's defo. Oh, something's going on. What is that? Look at this side. Nothing in that is showing us that it's failed dramatically. The only thing we can see is both the pistons. Something's locked it up, and I don't think it's to do with fuel. Maybe it's got a dropped valve or something. We could take the rocker cover off now. We could actually see some damage. I think this bike's probably going to end up being broke for parts anyway. It's going to be better for us to just drop the engine out and take the head off. And also, probably going to need the head off anyway, with it being all locked up. Should imagine that. It's either dropped the valve or something's happened where it has actually been hard dropped and someone's sent it and bent a rod, basically. But we're going to find out, we're going to get to the bottom of why this has failed. It's probably not going to be back on the road, but it's a bit of education for us to see what's happened.